This is a 1978 FJ40 emissions module that I'm testing. When I first started on it, it really didn't work at all for the EGR VSV. It's supposed to turn on at a certain temperature and turn off at a certain temperature. And it wasn't working at all. So I was doing troubleshooting on it and found that this diode right here was shorted, so I replaced it. And then doing further testing, I found that the set point at which the VSV worked was a bit higher than it should have been. And also, there was very little hysteresis, meaning that the VSV would turn on and turn off almost at the same temperature. So that's not good. So I did further troubleshooting and did some parts checks and everything, and really could not find anything wrong with the circuit. I drew it out and you can see it here. The way this thing works is the temperature sensor here reduces resistance. It turns this transistor on, which turns this transistor off, which turns this transistor off. And when you turn this transistor on and off, you can see it comes up here and connects to the base of this one. So this voltage here, actually this voltage here, controls the reset or the hysteresis in the circuit. So what I did was put potentiometers on the circuit so I could adjust this resistor, and this resistor, and get it so that the VSV actuated at the correct temperature and reset at the correct temperature. And you can see what I've got here is these three potentiometers. I can show you right now the VSV is off, and as I increase this, it's actually, I'm monitoring the other side of the pot, and this is a 10K pot, so when I get up to about there, that's actually about 1.2K, and that's right about where it's supposed to turn on. And you can see it's on now, and as I decrease it back down, it shuts off right around 8, which is right about where it should be, and it's off now. So I need to disconnect these potentiometers, measure the resistance that are there, and get some fixed resistors that are close to that and install them, and this thing will be good to go. I really think it didn't work well from the factory. This thing just is a poor design, and they used fixed resistors, and I don't know how they tested it, but their acceptance criteria wasn't very good, but it meets the standard in the book now.